Hello and welcome to Match Liga. I'm your host Pranav, and today we're gonna have a look at match number 20 played between Mumbai Indians and the Rajasthan Royals. That is at the Sheikh Zayed Cricket Stadium in Abu Dhabi. This is the 7th match that is going to be played on this venue, and in the previous 6 occasions, side winning the toss has won only on 1 occasion. Whereas for a change, the chasing side has won the match on 3 occasions. Let us have a look at some of the facts getting into this match. Well, the par score on this wicket is 183 runs. That is also a winning score for sides batting first. Well, the Rajasthan Royals have really leaked runs in the power play. In the first 6 innings in the past 4 matches, they've picked up only a couple of wickets and they've conceded runs at an average of 8.5 runs per over. Steve Smith has been in a great form against Mumbai Indians since 2018. He's scored 400 runs at a strike rate of 160. Let us have a look at the Fantasy League team, and let's start with the wicket keepers. I had 4 options to choose from. However, I've settled only for 2 wicket keeper batsmen. Unfortunately, I had to drop Quinton de Kock and inform Sanju Samson due to certain budget constraints, and the other reason is that both these batsmen failed in their previous innings on this particular venue, whereas Josh Buttler and Ishan Kishan got a start to their innings. I'm sure Josh Buttler is itching to have a big knock, and maybe this is his day. Let us have a look at the batting unit getting into this match. Well, since I've already selected 2 top order batsmen in the wicketkeeper section, I've settled only for 3 batsmen. My first choice is Steve Smith, who's been in a great form against Mumbai Indians. He's really hammered them all over the park. He scored 400 runs at a strike rate of 160 and is also in a great nick in this IPL so far. My second choice is inform Rohit Sharma, who scored 150 runs at a strike rate of 166 on this particular ground in 2 innings. And the funny fact is that Rohit Sharma has developed a pattern already. He's performed in alternate matches, and in the previous match he failed. He got out in the first over itself. So I reckon that this is going to be his match. My third batsman is Surya Kumar Yadav. I've selected him over Robin Uthappa and Riyan Parag, who've had a devastating IPL so far. Let's have a look at the all-rounders getting into this match. Well, there's a great news for Rajasthan Royals. Ben Stokes has arrived in the UAE but is not yet available for this match. Considering that fact, my first choice of all-rounders is Kieron Pollard, who's yet to be dismissed in this Dream 11 IPL 2020, has been scoring around a strike rate of 160. He's collectively scored 163 runs so far in this season. My second choice is Rahul Tewatia. I've chosen him over the Pandya brothers. I feel that Rahul Tewatia is in a much better form with the ball and the bat as compared to the Mumbai duo. Let us have a look at the bowling unit for this match. Well, I'm a bit confused between Jofra Archer and Jasprit Bumrah. Now, unfortunately, I can only have one of them in my side. So I'm going to wait for the toss and then decide who amongst the 2 plays into my team. Jofra Archer has been pretty economical in the 4 innings that he's bowled. He's conceded runs at 6.75 per innings, whereas he's picked up 4 wickets and has been very handy with the bat as well. Whereas Jasprit Bumrah has picked up 8 wickets so far. Now, talking about the second slot, that is filled up by Trent Boult, who's been pretty economical and has picked up 8 important wickets in this Dream 11 IPL 2020. The third slot is taken by James Pattinson, who's also has been in a decent form, surprisingly, for a test bowler to do so well in T20 cricket. He's picked up 8 wickets at a decent economy rate, so he takes this third slot. In order to have some kind of variation in my bowling unit, I've gone for Shreyas Gopal over Tom Curran. I feel this is going to be Tom Curran's last match since Ben Stokes has arrived. So this sums up my fantasy league team for match number 20 played between Mumbai Indians and the Rajasthan Royals. I would love to hear it from you guys in the comments section. And for more such match previews and sports updates, please follow Match Laga. Thank you.